Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is the city creation. And in this, basically, we are telling that basically 20% error is there, basically, but nobody is believing that basically 20% error is not that. In this, basically, somebody generated this also. Then Sunil R. Nair basically story also generated. Then basically the 11 parts basically has happened. Earthquake incidents basically happened. Then basically this story we are talking about, that is Chennai basically the got some just now, basically just few months before, basically they got one big earthquake basically. So not earthquake, basically tsunami they got. That tsunami is basically not tsunami basically. That is basically one trigger basically. That is the, you can say, nuclear bomb basically. So this nuclear bomb is basically the people basically, how basically I can explain you that, I can tell you. Do you basically know the mafia group basically? Then into the, yes, basically these mafia groups mean this mafia groups basically. These all are mafia groups, right? Basically. Then into the, yes, here basically these all are mafia groups. Dawood Ibrahim, Arun Gowli, Tiger Memon, Chota Rajan. Then basically Ladies Dawn is there. Just see basically Chota Shakil is there. Then Haji Mastan is there basically. See basically, just see basically. Abu Salem is there basically. This was there basically. Then basically the Dawn, like then Lalu Prasad is also just here. Just see basically. This is, I think, Phulan Devi. So see basically these all are the mafia dons basically, right? Then you do that, yes, here basically these all are ladies don basically. So one of the person told that basically, what are the tasks of this group basically? That basically a recovery group basically. They basically keeps on giving trouble to the cities. They keeps on giving trouble to the cities and states basically. If they are basically the underworld international group basically. They basically left India. They are basically keeps giving the trouble to the India basically. If India is giving trouble to any of the country, then they will come and then basically they do the certain level of activities in India basically, that they will not basically directly tell that basically, that this businessman basically has given the trouble basically in that country, and that country basically we are basically giving the security. Just see basically the words basically which I am using. So like these basically things are basically there. So one of the person told that basically they are keeping the city in control. Then he told that, yes, basically if their task basically nobody is doing, then basically what they do basically, that everybody knows. They basically literally basically picks the gun and then they basically start shooting the thing basically, right? That is the one thing basically they do. Same way basically somebody has kept that, because this was the only way to explain basically. So like this basically the Tamil Nadu basically, India basically got one tsunami basically. In this tsunami basically, assume that basically 1 lakh words basically was there. In the 1 lakh words basically 85,000 used that particular words, and that basically generated some energy. In this basically the impact basically which has happened is USA basically just now basically got some dangerous ice tsunami. So this ice tsunami is basically nothing in front of this group basically. These groups basically what do? They basically picks the gun and then basically say give this much. But here basically what are the things basically happening? Here basically just see what are the things happening. Entire USA basically got the ice tsunami. So entire USA basically get impact basically. But here basically they are doing what basically? They are just targeting few people basically. So the person basically told that basically the person basically done this activity, that is the tsunami basically. One of the person told that basically, who is that person basically, yeah? So he told that basically he is basically equivalent to this 100 people basically, not 100 basically, you can say the 1,000 people basically. So this 1,000 And here basically the one person basically, then he told that yes, yeah, basically you are correct. So you saw that basically, then he told that yes, yeah, basically. So here this is only one person, and here basically there are 1,000 person. So this 1,000 person are equal to this one person basically, which has actually done this impact basically. And in this impact basically what he has done basically, see basically entire USA basically, see you got USA, we got ice tsunami. Russia also got ice tsunami. UK also got ice tsunami. India basically got few earthquakes. Pakistan also basically, Bangladesh, Dubai, this whole country basically got affected basically. Then he told that yes, here basically. So one of the person told that basically he is basically dangerous, or basically this whole 1,000 people basically are dangerous, this one person basically is dangerous. Then one of the person told that I think this one person is dangerous basically. So one of the person told that basically what actually he want basically, that what actually is asking basically, what actually is asking, and the country basically which is not giving to him basically, then what are the things basically happening basically. Then he told that basically need to inquire here basically what he want from the country, what actually USA basically has not given to that particular person basically. Due to that basically he fired the USA, and the entire ice basically tsunami happened in USA basically. So what actually he asked, and what actually USA has not given. So that was basically his question basically. Then he told that yes, here basically that need to inquire basically what actually he asked. Otherwise it is going to create problem to whole world basically, because this tsunami basically is going to connect to whole world. That is the 215 countries basically. That is going to connect 100% basically. If they gives the whatever he wants, then it's okay basically. Slowly basically he will leave the place basically, but it will impact little bit basically, because he has generated the thing basically. Then it will impact the little bit basically, but it will not impact too much basically, as USA basically got impact, as Russia basically got impact, as India basically got impact. So whatever things basically they ask, they basically you have to give that basically. Otherwise basically suffer for the things basically which is going to happen. So just see basically here basically I explained is reason behind this is basically this thing basically, that is this Oxford word basically has given few set of words to Accenture. So one of the person asked actually who are Oxford group here basically, who are actually Oxford group basically, because Oxford group are basically dangerous than this group, and more dangerous than this group. So one of the person literally asked actually who is Oxford group here basically, can you please tell basically who is basically Oxford group basically. Then basically the one person told that basically why don't you search basically the website only basically. Then he told one of the person search, that is me only, Oxford University basically, Oxford University. So Oxford University groups are this group basically, that basically started their journey from 1096. Oxford University, United Kingdom basically actually started the journey. So founder basically is who basically, founder basically is not given basically. So one of the person asked actually who is this Oxford University here, who is the founder of the Oxford University, because he has created, he is basically more dangerous than the mafia groups and that particular group basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the Chennai blast basically, which has basically Chennai tsunami basically, which is actually very dangerous basically, which is actually like a nuclear bomb.